Hi, today's star of the shave is fill that glass. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver, and I'm doing the Razor Company shave and chat today, and the star of the shave is fill that glass. As we're entering the winter months, we're gonna be yearning for those good old hot summers. And what more that reminds people of summer than a nice drink? And this is a collaboration between a vintage head shaver. He had a drink a couple of years ago, I believe, and he perfectly replicated through the help of Ariana and Evans, Peter Chakalis, and of course, it's the Razor Company exclusive. Oh man, I just the scent. I would love to have this drink, summertime, wintertime, all year long, but especially in the cold months when you miss that summer heat and that nice summertime groove. Yeah, I just gotta show you this. Look at the lather it builds. There's another banger from Ariana and Evans, and let me tell you the rest of my lineup before I start rambling on about this great soap. Okay, I'm using a Karve Bison Glacial with Gillette 7 o'clock yellow. I'm using a beautiful Boar brush. It's an Art 48 Studio. Oh, look how long and beautiful. Of course, my trusty, the Razor Company lather bowl. I mean, you could get great lathers with this. Of course, my bougie sprayer with distilled water. Thank you, my wet shaving family, for turning me on to this. And again, a fill that glass type of shave. I'm telling you, it's the drink, minus the drink, but you get that nice and warm, sensational feeling. You smell all the fruits, the mangoes, the lime, the mint, the lemon, the peach. Oh my god, it's like a smorgasbord of flavors. So how's everyone doing today? Oh man, I really needed this shave. I have 2 days growth. Again, I just admired this lather. I'm gonna ask you, everyone, and please comment. Does everyone take pride in their lather making skills? Oh man. Oh man. I always say once you go Boar, you want to use it more. I also say once you use Boar, you'll never get bored. I'm telling you, the adventure is breaking in that Boar knot. I just love it because once you break it in, it feels like, when you're running up a hill and you're going reaching to the top, and then you got that summit, and then you sit down, you take a breath, and you look all around. You see all the beautiful views and scenery. That's what it feels like when I break in the Boar. Oh man. Vintage head shaver, if you have any more drinks or any more things that you want to make a soap out of scent with, please go forward, do it. You got great taste. And Ariana and Evans, this is another grand slam. And of course, all made possible by the Razor Company. Awesome. Like in basketball, they have the big three, like the top 3 stars. I'm like, this is definitely a big 3 collab. Oh man. I'm sorry for yapping. I could do this all day, but let's get to the nitty gritty and beef and potatoes. Okay, before I do, you see, look, the protection it provides is that thin layer that protects your face from the blade. Of course, I'm using a Karve Bison, one of many great razors out there. Yeah. Let's go for the first pass. Oh man. If you can hear that feedback, for me that's music. That's like an orchestra playing. Oh man. Oh, I'm like, right now I'm imagining. Oh, I almost broke my rule. I try not to talk when I'm shaving under my neck, for safety reasons. But yeah, this first pass was a banger. Let's go for a second pass. Oh man. If you have a chance, get this soap. I mean, for me, I'll use it all year round because of the quality, the scent. And you know, in summertime, you want a summer scent. And in wintertime, you want to be remembered of what you're missing in the summer. So it's a win-win-win-win-win. All year round. Oh man, I love this lather. You can't go wrong with the A&E soap base. Look how fluffy and it looks like whipped cream. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna go to my second pass. I just love applying it, especially with the Boar, because like I said, when you break in a Boar, oh my god, it's like velvety soft. Second pass, I'm gonna do it under my neck, I won't talk. Oh, this is a beautiful shave. I've been looking forward to this shave all day. Oh man. Do I need a third pass? No. Am I gonna do a third pass? Yes. Oh man. Okay, third pass coming up. Oh man, I had a great meal today. I had like a cheese omelet in a wrap, one of those carb neutral wraps. I think it's made of some of it with almond flour and stuff, but it's so good. I was like, as soon as I woke up, I'm like, I can't wait to do this shave. Can't wait to share my thoughts and how I feel about this soap and just the overall experience. Oh, look how much lather I have. And boars are known to be lather hogs, and it made a. It's like, oh man, look. Yeah, I'm not gonna be cheap. I'm gonna lather up, make a thick, frothy lather. For me, after I have a shave, I feel like I had like 2 shots of espresso, and my emotions feel happy. How about you people? Let me know in the comments what you think about after when you have a shave or when you make a beautiful lather. You know, or it's very important self-care. And shaving, shaving in some people's fields it's a mandatory. They have to be clean shaven. But I look at shaving has been so much of a blessing and benefit to me. I meet so many great people, and it just helped me my overall outlook on life. Smooth. God. I'm waiting for the next Vintage Head Shaver collab with TRC and Ariana and Evans. I'm looking forward to what the next scent is, because this is... Oh man, it's just relaxing. The scent and the smell. It's like... I call shaving my meditation, because it helps me focus in okay, I did my shave, and for me, after a great shave, I feel like I could conquer my day. I feel like it's nice and relaxed. To my shave people out there that love feedback, if you can hear this feedback, it's like music to my ears. Oh man. God. I'm gonna do a little buffing. Not over buffing, because remember, over buffing could create if you over buff, you could get agitation in the skin, a little burns and singing. But when you know your face, and as you progress in your wet shaving journey, you will know what to do and what not to do, because your face, the razor and the blade all become one synergy. So you'll get the feel for it. Also, my personal belief is, I think your face builds up a tolerance of what you could do. That's my personal opinion. Let me rinse off and throw on this beautiful splash. Oh man. I wish there was such thing as smell a video, because this video smells good. Oh wow, no stinging at all. Okay, let me get that magic splash. Shake, 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 shake. Woo. Yeah. Oh man. Not one sting. Beautifully shaven. I just want to go over the lineup again. Today I used a Karve Bison with a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade. It turns out to be a great match. The 7 o'clocks are medium to aggression. The blade and the Karve could tame any medium or aggressive blade. That Bison. I have my Boar brush, a Art 48 Professional. My trusty TRC lather bowl. Go to therazorcompany.com to find that, and of course, the exclusive star of the show, Fill That Glass, a beautiful creation by a vintage head shaver, Ariana and Evans, and the Razor Company. Wow, thank you for staying till the end, and if you have time on Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, you want to see 4 great people talk about wet shaving, food, and basically just palling around and having a great time, please go to @therazorcompany live on Instagram, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone. You'll watch a great live with great people and great audience members, rated for 5 years old and 105 or even 0 years old. Thank you again, and have a great shave.